This video shows you how to set up the edge blending feature to create a seamless image using multiple LightScene projectors. Before you start, make sure you have determined the area that you want to project onto and the desired size of your blended image. During the edge blending process, you will use one of the projector's remote controls to control both projectors independently. To make this possible, you need to set a unique Projector ID on each projector. Press the power button to turn on the projectors. Press Menu. Press the up or down arrow button to highlight the Extended menu, then press the Enter button. Highlight Multi-Projection. Press Enter. Highlight Projector ID, then press Enter again. Press the up or down arrow button to highlight the ID number you want to use for the first projector, then press Enter. Repeat the Projector ID setting process on the second projector and select a different ID. When you're finished, you'll be able to control each projector individually using one remote control. Simply hold down the ID button, then press the numeric button that matches the Projector ID for the projector you want to control. Turn off the projectors, then place them side by side on a level surface. Press the power button to turn on the projectors. Select the ID for the first projector. Then press the Pattern button. Then press the left or right arrow button to select a test pattern. Select the ID for the second projector. Then repeat the process and select the same test pattern. Next, align the projector's patterns. When you're finished, turn off the patterns. On each projector, select the Extended menu. Select Multi-Projection. Select Multi-Projection again. Select On to turn on the Multi-Projection option, then press the Escape button. Select Edge Blending and turn on the Edge Blending option. Then, turn on the Line Guide and Pattern Guide options. On each projector, select the edge you want to blend. Adjust the blend range setting. Press the arrow buttons to merge each projector's green line with the other projector's purple line. When you're finished, the projector's grids should be aligned as well. If the grids are not merging properly, you may need to move the projectors slightly. When you're finished, turn off the Line Guide and Pattern Guide options. On each projector, press Pattern and choose a solid test pattern. Select the Extended menu. Select Edge Blending. Select Blend Curve. Then select the setting that most evenly blends the screen image. Project the same image from both projectors. On each projector, select the Signal menu. Select Scale. Then select Manual. Select Scale Mode. Select Full Display. Then use the plus or minus icons to adjust the image size. Select Clip Adjustment. Then press the arrow buttons on the remote control to adjust each projector's image position. When you're finished, you should see a seamless single image displayed.